Wild yn ei gwarchod i. Bale yn cyrraedd Jamie Insel ac yn sydyn, mae o mewn tiwlor amddiffyn! Arbediad gan Dave Jones, ond mae dal yn o'i gochion Cei Connah. Fi'n cael ei chlirio yn y diwedd. Cyfle cynta'r gêm, mae Jamie Insel yn glir ar amddiffyn na, yn gwthio i fyny. Ond y golwr yn gwneud yn dda i'w hatal i. Rushton. Fletcher yn pwyntio, yn gofyn amdani. Allan i Flint mae'n mynd. O, sodiad hyfryd i Fletcher, ychydig o le. Yn ei gosod i'r ôl, mae'n cyrraedd Sheridan! A'r Bale yn ara bach yn mynd heibio'r postyn. Fe ddylai fod ochr arall y postyn ac yng nghefn y rhwyd o bosib. Cali y cefnwr yn ei chodi nôl gan Rushton. Rushton ychydig o le nawr. Yn uchel, Sheridan ar peniad, Flint mynd amdani. Mae'n dod allan i McAllister! O, gol wych i'r Drenewydd ar y blaen! Gol gyngrau'r gyntaf, Sean McAllister ers dros 8 mlynedd. Oedd e'n chwarae'r amwythig bryd hynny. Pened da gan Insel, a Bacare wedyn. O, na chi 1-2 anarferol. O, Insel yn gadl y Bale tu ôl fan meiliad. Dim trosedd mer y dyfarnwr, y chwarae'n parhau. Roberts, y croesiad! A mae'r Bale yng nghefn yr rhwyd. 4 munud ar ôl mynd ar ei holi, mae Cei Connah'n gyfartal. Fi'n credu mae gol i'w rwyd i hun gan Barnes oedd hi. Bacare ar sgil. Wild. Poole, cyfle i groesi. Mae'n cael ei hatal, ond cyfle arall. Roberts i mewn at y canol. O, Wild yn gryf ar ei frest i dŵl. Samar yn dŵl! Dave Jones yn arbed. A Drenewydd yn clirio. Munudau pryderus i dîm Chris Hughes. Bacare yn ei chymryd i'n fyr. Insel yn ôl i Bacare. At y postyn pella, at Wild. Yr amddiffynwr dan bwysau! Ac Insel i gefn yr hwyd! Mae Cei Connah ar y blaen cyn yr egwyl ar ôl bod ar ei holi. Wild yn rhoi Barnes dan bwysau ac Insel yno i wneud yn siŵr bod ni'n cyrraedd cefn yr hwyd. Jones. Dan bwysau gan Insel. Mae'n adlamu yn garedig i Roberts. Roberts! O, mae'n taro'r postyn! Mae dylan o'i Wild! Mills Evans yn ei hatel i. O, am gyffro, am gyfnod y chwarae. Y camgymeriad gwreiddiol gan Dave Jones. Roberts mor agos at gol gofiadwy, ond yna fe adlamodd i'n lwcus i Wild. Gwaith arwrol gan Mills Evans. Mynydd o gic fel arfer gan Bras. Mills Evans yn ei methu hi, Insol! A Dave Jones yn arbed. Bobl bach, feddwl Insol di gwneud yn well, feddwl wedi bod yn ail i'r blaenwr. Mills Evans, be ar wyneb ddiar oedd e'n gwneud. Williams yn codi ben. Y bas yn syth lawr congodd o Danny Holmes. A nawr mae Williams allan o'i safle a Mills Evans di gweithio fyny hefyd. Digonedd o le gan Bacare. Michael Bacare! Yn selio'r triphwynt gyda'r drydedd gol. Munud sy'n weddill a mae'r pwyntiau'n saff. O'r diwedd mae Cei Connah wedi cael ei heiddiant.
You received a yellow card. What are your thoughts on that?
Look, we've had clear instructions not to swear. Okay, so there's been no swear from me whatsoever, no foul language whatsoever. But the problem I'm going to have is, are you going to be using facial recognition to sort of say how contorted my face is, or decibels to say the tone of my voice? Because when Andy Morrison shouts and appeals for something and he's vociferous, it's slightly different to other managers because I'm aggressive and I'm intense. Okay, but let it clear, there was no foul language. I've appealed the same as the other manager has appealed the whole game. But no, because I look slightly different, I'm slightly more aggressive and I'm slightly more intense, probably a little bit intimidating, I get a yellow card. And it's not, I was infuriated with it because it was unacceptable, out of tone with the game whatsoever.
Is it frustration with the actual referee or with your own team?
Not with my own team. Not my own team. I thought the second half, when we went to 2-1, I thought we were a magnificent second half. I thought the discipline, the shape, the organisation, and you know, we limited them to. I can't remember Lou having a shot to save in the second half. I don't think there was anything. We've hit the post. We've had balls cleared off the line. We've got in behind them. We got down the sides of them, and we were very, very good in the second half when we change the shape a little touch and just give a little bit more detail to players where we wanted them to be, and I thought we were very good.
Overall, pleased with the endeavour, pleased with the commitment, because it's always tough when you come here, always a tough night. And I thought, you know, we started the game really well, positive manner, but probably the 6-minute spell just after we scored, where they've scored 2 goals, has killed the game really. And it's very difficult then when you're 2-1 down to try and get back in it, because they're very resolute. They go man for man. They make changes, defensive changes to stop you. That's what Andy's built his teams on. And I thought we probed without really creating anything second half. But neither did they in that respect as well, apart from the one that Kieran's cleared off the line. But like I say, we made some changes and then they punished us on the counter-attack, which is always going to be the way, but we had to try and get back in the game when we were 2-1 down.